I came back to him, a vessel unworthy, so scarred with sin, but he did not despair. He started over again, and I bless the day he didn't throw the clay away. Over and over he molds me and makes me into his likeness. He fashions the clay, a vessel of honor I am today. Oh, because Jesus didn't throw the clay away. Nengawiau keutau mono finangalo beaneu to mohumu o maumawai e kuipu tai whakawhetai